Hey guys, John at Cross Motors with your Jeep of the Week. We got such a good response from our last big JT build. We went ahead and did the exact same thing with our latest red Rubicon Gladiator. This one actually came stock with a plastic front bumper. We went ahead and swapped that out with Mopar's steel front bumper, mirrors the factory package. It also has the upgraded LED lighting group. If you guys haven't experienced these, they actually did them on the JL a little bit too. They're fantastic. I've spent a lot of money on upgrading the headlights on my stock JK and TJ Jeeps, and Mopar jumped on the bandwagon. These things are just awesome and really a bang for the buck if you compare them to the aftermarket segment. The Rubicon's also going to come with the power dome hood. Looks pretty slick. And then coming around the side is where we really spent a lot of our time and energy. So this is a Mopar 2-inch suspension lift. They paired up with Fox. Thing drives amazing. It's a 37-inch BF Goodwrench MT, and then wrap the whole thing up with an AEV spun copper wheel. I think the stance is just fantastic, especially on the longer body of the Gladiator. On a JL or a JK, the 37's really oversized. It looks really aggressive and huge. I think this really fits this truck well. Coming around to the interior, it does have the brown leather interior. You're also going to get heated seats, navigation. It's obviously a hard top. Now this is a 3-piece, just like you're used to getting in the JK and the JL, so these are removable, which is kind of nice. The doors are also removable. We were playing around with that yesterday. Works like a champ. Coming around to the rear, excuse the stuff. Exact same setup as a JL, except you don't have anything behind you. You still have your grab bar, little hooks behind the driver's seats. Door cards look the same. Very, very similar, just on a truck frame. And then wrapping it up to the rear, the piece de resistance for the Gladiator is obviously the bed. Excuse me. So this one does have the flip back tonneau cover, as well as all of them come with the soft touch close, which is kind of nice. I don't know if you saw how soft that went down, but it didn't slam at all. It does not have the spray-in bed liner. That's an upgraded option as well. And then on the rear bumper, you also get parking sensors, standard backup camera, and a tow package as well. For any other questions about this build or to ask anything about the new Gladiator, please feel free to give us a shout at 502-459-9900. You can always subscribe to our YouTube page and check us out on Facebook as well. I'm John. We'll talk to you guys next week.